Welcome to JRMSweeps. We have a GE dishwasher here that I believe the timer has gone out on because it got stuck in one of the wash cycles the other day. This is the brand new timer. We're going to go ahead and open this guy up, reinstall the new timer. The thing you want to do is make sure you turn the breaker off to your dishwasher. You'll need to remove the timer knob. To get to the timer device, you're going to need to remove these 1, 2, 3 screws, one in the middle, and then the 3 other ones on the other side. The screws removed, we can go ahead and remove this front panel here. Okay, so I used a stick here just to keep this propped open. This is where your timer is going to be located. You're going to see there's going to be 1, 2 screws right here on the left that we're going to need to replace, and then we'll just start unplugging everything. Plug the new one back in. Go ahead and unplug the old timer. It slides right out. This is the old timer. You're going to need to remove this piece here. It slides right off. Put that on the new timer. Now we're ready to put the new timer back in place. Put the 2 screws back in. Okay, we can plug everything up. Here. Things plugged up, we're ready to close the washer lid. We're going to need to feed this handle through the opening here. Went ahead and did that, and then start putting your screws back. So far so good, it's moved from start over to this position. We're just going to see if it'll initialize and go through its cycles. Thanks for watching.